Today we will quickly learn the must-know tenses for exams.
Yes, we will cover the main tense forms, easy tips, and clear examples you can use in tests.
First, let's remember what a tense does. It shows when an action happens. Now, past, or future.
We start with the present tenses. Present simple is for habits, facts, and general truths.
Example, she studies every day. That sentence uses present simple.
Present simple is common in reading passages and general statements on exams.
Present continuous shows actions happening right now or temporary actions.
Example, he is studying English this week. Use it for ongoing actions.
Present perfect links past actions to the present. We form it with have, has, plus past participle.
Example, they have finished the test. This is useful when the result matters now.
A simple exam tip, watch for time words. Since and for often go with present perfect.
Now the past tenses. Past simple is for completed actions at a definite time.
Example, I visited the library yesterday. Use past simple when the sentence gives a time.
Past continuous shows actions that were happening at a specific time in the past.
Example, she was reading when the teacher arrived. We often use past continuous with past simple.
Past perfect is for the earlier of two past actions. It uses had plus past participle.
Example, by the time the exam started, I had revised all notes. Past perfect shows what happened first.
A common exam question asks you to choose the tense pair. Think about the order of events.
Next, future tenses. Future simple uses will plus base verb for decisions, promises, and predictions.
Example, I will study more for the next test. It shows a future action.
Future with going to is for planned actions or strong intentions.
Example, she is going to take the exam next month. Use it when there is a plan.
Future continuous shows actions that will be in progress at a future time.
Example, at 10 a.m. tomorrow, I will be taking a mock test.
Future perfect is for actions that will finish before a certain future time. We'll have plus past participle.
Example, by Friday, he will have completed the assignment. Exams sometimes use this in reading or writing tasks.
Now, some mixed tense tips for exams. First, identify time signals. Yesterday, already, by then, while since, for, tomorrow.
Second, match the tense to the meaning, habit, finished action, ongoing action, or link to present.
Third, check subject-verb agreement and correct past participles. Irregular verbs are often in exam answers.
Example of irregular error. Many students write runned instead of ran. Learn common irregular verbs.
A short practice. Choose the best tense. By the time she arrived, we leave.
Correct answer. Had left. We use past perfect because leaving happened before arriving.
Another example. He study English for 3 years. Which tense?
Present perfect. He has studied English for 3 years. Use for with present perfect for duration.
In exam writing, use a variety of tenses correctly. Do not switch tenses without reason.
For narrative tasks, keep the past tense consistent unless you are showing a time shift.
In description or facts, use present simple. Water boils at 100 degrees so.
In answer key tasks, underline time words first. Time words usually point to the correct tense.
Common mistakes to avoid: wrong auxiliary verbs, wrong verb forms, and mixing tenses in one sentence.
Also, watch out for passive and active voice. Passive often changes the tense form you need.
Example passive: the letter was sent yesterday. Past simple passive matches the time word.
Practice makes perfect. Read exam questions carefully and look for clues.
When you see since plus a date, use present perfect. Example: she has lived here since 2018.
When you see when plus a past time, check if you need past continuous and past simple together.
Quick tip for ending sentences: use the correct tense in your final clause to keep meaning clear.
Teachers like clear timelines in answers. Tenses create that timeline.
Before we finish, remember a few signal phrases. Present simple, always, usually. Present perfect, already, yet, ever, never.
Past simple, yesterday, last year. Past continuous, while. Past perfect, by the time, before.
Future signals: tomorrow, next week, in 2 days by then.
Now a short recap from me. Identify the time, match the tense, check verbs, and watch irregulars.
From me: practice examples, learn signal words, and keep tenses consistent in your answers.
We hope these tips make tenses easier for your exams.
Good luck with your study. Use these examples and look for time words on every question.
Thanks for watching Grammar with Altaf. See you in the next video.
Today we learned present, past, and future tenses, the perfect and continuous forms, signal words, and quick exam tips.
And we learned how to choose the right tense, avoid common mistakes, and use time markers to get better exam answers.
There are also perfect continuous forms that examiners sometimes ask about to show duration and action in progress.
Present perfect continuous uses have, has been plus ing to show an action that started in the past and is still happening or recently stopped.
Past perfect continuous uses had been plus ing to show duration before a past moment. Example: he had been practicing before the match.
Future perfect continuous uses will have been plusing to show how long something will have been happening by a future time.
Example: by June I will have been preparing for the exam for 6 months.
Practice short exercises every single day.